changes through the decades. As far as what's happening outside right now, blue skies and sun, just a light wind today. Of course, we had plenty of wind over the weekend. Today, probably our lightest wind day of the week. It's going to start picking up quite a bit here tomorrow. This is the Ally Medical Emergency Room camera. Not much in the way of clouds statewide, just a few high ones drifting in from our north. That's about it. And as we take you through the night and through your Tuesday, tomorrow is going to be almost cloud-free. So we're going to go through it pretty quickly, just a few passing clouds. That would be about it. And then into Tuesday night and Wednesday, more of the same, mostly a completely clear sky. If not completely clear, very close to it. So let me focus in on the wind now. But you could see here as we go into tomorrow morning, the wind direction is going to change. Right now it's coming out of the northeast. And then as we go through the night, it's going to go southeast and then south by the time we wake up. That south wind is going to help temperatures climb. Tomorrow is going to be way warmer than today. And it will eventually increase the humidity a little bit. It's never going to get truly that humid, but there will be somewhat of an increase in humidity over the next few days. Here are how the wind gusts look, though, tomorrow afternoon, gusting 25 to 30 miles per hour at times. And with that will be a fire danger. Staying windy or breezy Tuesday night, breezy on Wednesday as well. And then what happens Thursday? Cold front comes in. With that cold front, even stronger wind gusts Thursday morning. This cold front's not actually going to bring much cold our way, but it will bring wind and a fire threat. So the wildfire risk here tomorrow, it's a 2 out of 5 for most of us. Some of our eastern counties, though, at a 3 out of 5, which is considered high. Wednesday, the fire risk, still a 2 out of 5 for most of the area, a little bit of 3 out of 5. Thursday's wildfire risk is not out yet, but I wouldn't be surprised if it's even higher because of that drier north wind that comes in. Temperature-wise, most of Texas in the 60s right now. We're roughly 3 degrees or so warmer than yesterday. Tonight's going to be one final chilly night with widespread 30s, down to 38 in Austin. Most areas mid to upper 30s. I can't rule out a patchy freeze in the hill country. Most areas will be just above that, though. And then tomorrow, that warm south wind, warmer than today. We're up to 76 here tomorrow. So widespread 70s across central Texas. And this is actually going to be our coolest day of the next 7 because we're in the upper 80s Wednesday. Cold front knocks us down just a little bit Thursday and Friday. And then the temperatures start to hover around the low to mid 80s over the course of the weekend into early next week. Not a whole lot of humidity, just some subtle changes that you'll barely notice. Here's a look at our first warning weather 7-day forecast. So plenty of sun over the next week. No rain chances over the next 7 days and a lot of warm nights after tonight. When might it rain? Looks like that first week of March, things gradually trending wetter from March 3rd through the 9th, leaning wetter than normal.